Hi, I'm Andrew Liddell, founder of Mr. Paling Fence. I started my career in carpentry and spent 12 years on the tools before I completed a Bachelor of Business at RMIT and then became a registered builder in 2008. Some of the biggest challenges I faced as a builder were working long hours, weekends, quoting at night. There was always constant stress around time and cash flow. Being a builder was tough. I knew there had to be a better way. I started looking for a part of the industry that made more sense. Something simpler, something with better returns. That's when I realised there was a real gap in the market for quality fence builders. Fencing stood out. The jobs were straightforward, demand was high, and the profit margins were strong. That's what sparked the idea for Mr. Paling Fence. Since starting Mr. Paling Fence, my life has changed significantly. I quote jobs and manage clients, and my team handles the builds. I've built a model that takes away a lot of the stress. It's based around simple, repeatable jobs and positive cash flow. The model's great. We take a 50% deposit up front and final payment on completion. I now have more time. I'm not stuck on site. I can drop the kids off in the morning, I can go for a swim, I can have a coffee mid-morning. Last year we even took off 6 weeks for a family holiday, something I thought that I'd never do. And financially it's been a game changer. It's allowed us to finally feel like we're ahead, not just keeping up. The best part is this isn't just a one-off story. We're now franchising Mr. Paling Fence to help other builders and tradies. The system's designed so you can focus on running it, not being on the tools. You're not just buying into a business, you're investing into a proven system designed for success. You'll get access to quoting systems, training, marketing, supplier deals. Everything you need to build a successful business. And you're not alone. I've lived this myself. I'll be there to guide you every step of the way. If you're a builder, a tradie, or even a project manager ready for a change, this could be it. I had doubts too, but the demand, margins and systems prove themselves. If any of this hits home, maybe it's worth a chat. Give me a call.